Hi everyone, I'm Gigi from Succulents Box. Today I'm going to be showing you our new corporate gift box that we're offering. This one includes a 4-inch plant and pot, but we also have a 2-inch option. Both will have a 500 milliliter watering bottle, some wooden tools, a pouch of soil, and a pouch of top dressing. It also includes an ID card for your plant, a greeting card, and care instruction card. These stickers and the card are all customizable. You can use your own logo or design, and we will try to accommodate your needs.